February by Dittmann in 40 by 30 cm round special treatment. We start off with the free electric diamonds that come with this design, and that we have placed in the background. So we've got the electric diamonds over here, sprinkled over there, as well as over here. So mostly on the bottom part of the picture. And then for version 1 of this treatment, we've got violet pearls that we have sprinkled on all of the dark purple areas. And then for version 2, we've got lilac, which may look like electric diamonds. These are the electric diamonds. As you can see, they sparkle in colors of the rainbow, whereas lilac is sparkling only as translucent lilac in color, so it's like a very light purple, and we've placed those in the light purple areas. So the trick to your special treatments really is just to try to match the color of your special beads with the color of the beads that you will be replacing it with. This gives it a subtle exchange of not color but of texture. So instead of having like more solid color and effect, you're giving it a sheen, you're giving it some glisten. So this is version 2 special treatment of February by Dittmann. Once again, we've got the free electric diamonds, and then we've got the violet pearls as well as the lilac crystals.